I would like to show you this Barbie Barbie Extra Fly Ken. It's the only Ken in the series, so it will be nice to see how it looks. I really look forward to the Barbie Extra Fly Ken, and it's supposed to have 15 pieces, and it looks like this Ken is the package is easier to open than the other extra dolls. I really like the clothes. The outfit is really cool. It's in the middle of the night, so I don't talk so much right now. This Extra Fly looks easier to open, really much easier to open than the other Barbie Extra dolls. I see this somewhere. Here's the tape. I really like that he has real hair and not just molded hair. Okay, I could rip the front off like this. So it's quite a nice picture if you want to save it, like to make frames or something, like Barbie frames or something. It's cute. Okay, here we have the candle, and it looks like it is brown hair with green stripes in them, highlights, and I thought he had like purple hair, but he does not, but the hair looks really nice. Okay, and I brought my scissors. I really like when the candles have real hair. Shoes, I do like the shoes. They're really cool sandals. I like them. Sometimes I'm not sure if there's a left or right on the shoes. Sometimes there is and sometimes there's not. I think I put them the wrong way here. I'm not sure. Okay, he has like a watch in gold, some kind of smart watch maybe. Okay, I will take everything loose first. Okay, so yes, like the shirt looks nice, looks really nice. It's I like the color here. They had put some time into this, and accessories, and his legs are great joints. The shorts are, they look good. It's nice bag and headphones. It's a bit pajama looking, but still it's cool. It looks a bit like you know, sheep kimono kind of look, but it's, and then show the hair a bit better. It's very hard, you know, the hair. You have to like brush it loose, but it's not really the glue kind of feeling. But it's very hard, so you have to comb it to get it like nice. But it's a really good looking can. He has light brown eyes, green and brown hair. He has like watch. He has bracelets with a seashell on one, and one with pearls. Handbag, like this, I don't know what's it called, sandals or like Birkenstock kind of shoes, I'm not sure. Okay. Is it a surfboard or wakeboard? It's very small. It's a very small surfboard or wakeboard if it is. Okay. I'm not sure what's this. Really, I'm not sure what this is. I will look it up, I guess. Okay, and it's a beach towel. Not the best Barbie beach towel I have seen, but it's not the worst either. It's a very nice color, like sunset kind of color, so it's nice. It's okay. And what's this? It's kind of a extra fly. One piece is 21 kilos. How is for a luggage or what? No, I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, here is this is like it's like tickets. It's like tickets for the plane or something. It's kind of cute. But it's just cardboard kind of tickets, and so it's like I don't get why they put them like this. Like it's something to be very, like it's very expensive. Something's just cardboard. This like passport. That's kind of cute though. It's just they could have made the passport much better, like more detailed, put picture of Ken or something, but no. And and a drink here. Oh my god. It's like I would flip the camera over if I like push it more. Like, come on. Okay, help your kids with this. It's like, won't get the coconut drink out. Come on, it's like, really. Okay. It's a very nice, it's a very nice looking coconut pineapple flamingo drink. It's cute. It's really cute, but it was really stuck in this one, so. Okay, the handbag, it's like you can open it a little bit, not the whole way, or what? Like, doesn't it? It's really cute. It has this a cute star on it. It says Barbie Extra Fly on it, Ken Extra. It's a really nice bag, but it's like it looks like it will open, but it really, I'm not sure, does it at all? I think you can pull it kind of open, but okay, I will put the things in it. I don't know if I will get them. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, it's a really nice bag, but I'm not sure how it opens. It can be open or like split open if you look at it like this, but it could break. Look, it will. You can do it if you really need to, but I'm not sure why. I would at the time. The glasses, they are see-through. It's always nice when they think about making the glasses see-through. Sometimes it's like it's fake, but I'm trying to. Why? I'm afraid I will break the glasses when I try to get them out. What did they? Okay, now they look very nice. Okay, I have to say that. They also look nice at Ken's face. It fits him. Looks good. He's a really handsome Ken. The Barbie Extra Fly Ken is really handsome. Okay, the headphones are stuck also. Did I put them the right way, or I'm not sure. That, more or less something like this. Right. I'm not sure I get the headphones to look really good on him. I'm not sure. Maybe the hair is too hard at the time. But the glasses, the glasses are cool. They look nice. They don't look like ridiculous like some Barbie doll glasses look. And the handbag has this extra emblem. It reads extra. And as I have underwear, no. The bag is cute. This bag, he has like two bags. This small one and this one, is really, it looks really good. You know, it really does. But I'm not sure it will open. And drink. Is able to hold the drink like his thumb. Not sure, but maybe like this. And there's this passport that's yellow, and beach towel, and tickets, and maybe is it a wakeboard of all sorts. So it's like I hope you can see something in this in the middle of the night unboxing video, because I didn't set things up like I should have. It's been a lot, but I really felt like I wanted to unbox this can and show him to you, and so I hope you could see something while I'm just sitting with the camera like in the bed like this. So I really hope you could see something that it was like that it's okay. So because I didn't want to get out of bed really, but I really wanted to unbox it right now because I couldn't sleep, and so I hope you can see all the details, and I don't really think he was worth what I paid him. I paid like 4.99 Swedish crowns. It's like $50 something. I know that Barbie dolls are not as expensive in the US and such, but like in Sweden it's a common price, like around that. But the accessories were not like they were not really worth what I was expecting. A little bit more because of like the cardboard passport and such. But I really liked the drink. It was cute, and I liked the glasses. So, and Ken, I liked Ken. I'm happy I got the extra Ken because he, in a way, because he is really good looking. He's a good looking dude. So he's really cute. He's good looking. He's handsome. I like him so. I like this kind of Ken face. This expression is. He looks a bit serious, but not too serious, and I really like it that he has real hair that can be combed and styled a bit. So. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.